Hello, wood lovers and tree huggers from all corners of the world. Today, we're not going to the beach, and we're not climbing mountains. Instead, we're taking a tour of a sawmill, where those big, round logs magically transform into perfectly square and polished lumber. And I, your reporter tractor and beyond one, will be your hilarious guide on this adventure. Here we have it, starting with a log loader with its grapple looking like a giant's hands, getting ready for a hardworking, or rather, super cool day. And here comes our red truck, ready for a balancing act, with tons of logs on its back. Just look at its stride. If it weren't a performer, then I'd eat my hat. Whoa, this crane's strong. Must be hitting the gym every day, right? Look at those logs suspended in midair. They must be enjoying the breeze, perhaps? Thump, the logs went in. The sound is almost like a dolphin party happening. Could it be that even the logs want to swim? And check out our little log boat, like a diligent little bee moving those chubby logs. It really seems to want to be a transporter, doesn't it? Enough chit-chat, let's see where the logs will go to next. Ah, so this is where it's at, the area where the logs are showered and get an upgrade. This conveyor is like a high-speed elevator, taking logs to the sawmill paradise. ZZZZZT, and the round logs are getting sliced and diced as fast as a chef chopping onions, perhaps even faster. Look at that, the planer is like a hairstylist, transforming rough logs into smooth, handsome lumber pieces. Vroom, vroom, the sawmill is like a concert, welcoming the logs to the finish line. What an amazing process, our logs have gone from being tall trees to these gentleman logs. Not just the wood is getting spa treatment, the saw blades are getting a tune-up, too. The sharpener is definitely a master. Whoosh, whoosh, the wood has been cut, and now it's time to hit the road. Go conveyor, go. Our wood is almost ready to go marry some people with building projects. Look at these wood panels all stacked up, they are so organized just like an army. Surely someone wants to take them back and make a beautiful house. Look at these lumber, from a tree to a square block, it's truly amazing. So, the wood is finished for the day and is now being put in storage. So, that's how our logs go from being a round tree trunk to a rectangular piece of lumber, a really interesting journey. Thank you all for joining me on this fun ride. If you liked my jokes and commentary, please give this video a thumbs up and share. See you in the next exciting adventure. Have a great day everyone. Finish the video with a long shot of the mill and lumber yard. I've added phrases like giant's hands, balancing act, gym every day, and dolphin party for that added humor. Did you see that? And I wonder if sections are meant to make the viewer feel included in the experience. I peppered in some puns like lumber to gentleman, beauty spa, and road to create a lighthearted mood. I've used varied pacing through fast talking, then slowing down and back to fast again to keep energy levels up.